For my next video, I'd like to do one on the cat scratcher pad. There wasn't really a whole lot unboxing, and we're going to go over the tech specs and little extras. So here you can see the size. Pause it, read the sizes. We'll go over that in a bit. It has 3 balls on it, playing scratching ball. It's a stiff felt panel, no mess, flying debris, and safe curved angles. It's a pat scratcher pad for indoor cats, even though I have it for an outdoor furrow cat that's actually, he's a pretty cool cat, but he doesn't do a whole lot. He just kind of lays in it, so, which is fine too, because he finds it more comfortable than anything else. So we'll get to that though shortly here. So it comes with the 3 balls. It has ample bottom space, ventilation and drying, long lasting, no flying debris. It comes with an extra pad, which is pretty cool. So if the pad on it gets bad, you can replace it. Installation, really simple. This was like really a no-brainer. It has a very in-depth instruction manual on step-by-step. It even comes with tools, of course. So like it says, save your sofa, skin, and cat. So your cat's gonna play on that, supposedly. Scratch posts for large cats, scratch lounge. Let's go into some tech specs here. So, well, first here, the cat felt scratcher. I just said, you have an extra refill mat. It's resilient to flaking, easy to clean, 160 degree better fit versus others. So this is made out of engineered wood. It's 26 by 8 inches long, 12 by 6 inches wide, and 9.5 inches depth. Color is burley wood. It's a 3-in-1 manufactured cat scratcher bed. So tired of your furniture falling victim to your cat's claws? We've got you covered. Our cat scratcher bed features a unique design that combines a cat scratching bed, scratcher pad, and cat toys in one product. Daily scratching sharpens their claws, maintains the proper shape of their nails, and satisfies their natural instinct. Here's a picture of raccoons on our nightly cam. They like chewing on it, mostly. So that was kind of neat to see them even using it. The other one hopped in it and hopped right back out pretty quickly, so I don't think he knew what he was even doing. So you get an extra 1 replace scratch mat for long-lasting use. The cat scratch mat in 1 pack, which means longer lasting value for your money. These cat scratcher couch refill mats are designed to endure constant scratching from your feline friends. And what do we have here? So we have the same thing. The cats, or the raccoons are, he's gotten in it now a little bit better, but he doesn't last very long. He hightails it out once he gets in. So it comes with 3 cat balls, release cat's vitality, equipped with 3 balls when the cats are resting on the cat hammock. They call them sisal, S-I-S-A-L. Sisal balls will let them release energy when they want to scratch, and can scratch wherever on the cat scratcher lounge, which, as you're going to see, that's all the one cat that we have, which just so happened to be named Tomcat. Get it? Yeah, haha. Sits, and he doesn't do anything on it. So he loves to sit in it, so it must be awful comfortable. Larger cats measuring 23.3 inches for length. This scratching pad for indoor cats has been thoroughly enlarged. It provides ample space. Cat furniture protector, so it's going to protect your furniture. Say goodbye to scratched and clawed furniture. Here is another view of him relaxing, so you can see everything he could be on a couch, another little whatever, futon, whatever you call it, he picks that. So obviously that's the most comfortable thing out there, so that's a plus. That most cats are going to like that over most other things. So it's perfect for any home decor and protects your interior. Screen doors, leather sofas, car door panels, wooden, etc. There he is, half awake, and he'll go back to sleep as soon as we walk away. And it's, as I said, easy. Scratching board adopts a simple installation method and comes with instructions and even the tools, which is nice to see. Welcome to contact them if you have any questions. I'm going to put an ad in the link on where to purchase. So that's my video on the cat scratching pad. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.